They say compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Whether Einstein actually said it or not doesn't matter, the truth behind it is powerful. Once you cross the $100,000 mark in your net worth, compound interest stops being just a finance concept and starts feeling like a real-life cheat code. Suddenly, your money begins multiplying faster and faster, almost on autopilot. The power of compound growth depends on two main factors: time and money. Early on, your priority should be to save and invest as much as possible so your money has more years to grow. But once you hit that $100,000 milestone, time becomes your biggest ally. Your money starts working for you, not the other way around. Let's see how it actually plays out. And just a quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Imagine you invest $1,000 a month, that's $12,000 per year, and earn a 7% annual return adjusted for inflation, a realistic long-term average. It would take roughly 6.5 years to reach your first $100,000. That part feels slow and frustrating. You're putting in money every month, but growth looks tiny. Here's where the magic begins. Keep doing the same thing, and your next $100,000 comes faster in just 4.6 years. The next one after that, only 3.4 years. Keep rolling that snowball, and you'll reach $1 million in about 27.5 years total, with no extra effort, just consistency. In the beginning, nearly all your progress comes from your own contributions. You're pushing the snowball uphill, doing the hard work. But once your investments start earning returns that are larger than your monthly deposits, everything changes. When your portfolio hits $100,000, that 7% return means $7,000 a year in growth. That's like earning $580 a month for doing nothing. Your money becomes a silent business partner, working 24/7, never asking for a raise, and steadily growing your wealth. At $200,000, it's $14,000 a year. At $500,000, it's $35,000, almost a full-time income for some people. That's the point where compound interest stops feeling slow and starts feeling unstoppable. Of course, patience is key. We live in a world of instant results, instant delivery, instant likes, instant dopamine. But real wealth doesn't happen instantly. It's slow, quiet, and reliable. The more you save early, the easier it gets later. That's the power of compounding, and why hitting your first 100K changes everything. Now let's talk about how to get there faster. Tip 1. Focus on earning more, not just saving more. Cutting coffee or Netflix helps a little, but the real game changer is increasing your income. Find a side hustle, freelance gig, or small business you enjoy. Extra cash from something you love doing goes much further than penny pinching ever will. Tip 2. Build an emergency fund. Before you invest aggressively, make sure you have 6 to 12 months of expenses saved. That cushion protects you from life's curveballs, car repairs, job loss, or medical bills, so you don't have to pull money out of your investments during tough times. Tip 3. Automate everything. Set up automatic transfers from your bank to your investment account. Automation keeps your strategy consistent, removes emotions, and ensures you're buying every month no matter what's happening in the market. Tip 4. Avoid bad debt. High-interest debt, like credit cards, is compound interest working against you. Pay those off before investing heavily. Think of paying down bad debt as an investment in peace of mind. Tip 5. Keep your lifestyle in check. When your income rises, it's tempting to upgrade everything: the car, the phone, the apartment. But the less your expenses grow, the more you can invest. That gap between earnings and spending is your wealth engine. Tip 6. Stay boring, stay rich. Ignore the hype. You don't need crypto, meme stocks, or whatever TikTok calls the next big thing. True wealth is built by investing consistently in diversified index funds and letting time work its magic. Getting to your first $100,000 takes discipline, patience, and consistency, but it's absolutely doable. Once you reach that milestone, the rest becomes easier. If this helped you understand how compound interest really works, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more clear and entertaining investing videos. This is Smart Money, where we make finance simple and practical. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.